Today is August 29th, 2014, and the construction on the park began on Monday. As you can see, they've put up the tree protection. This is going to be the northern edge of the nature-based play area. The fence has come down, and now they're beginning to dig out for what will be the future nature-based play area. This road was the only access on the south edge of the park, and it will be coming out completely. That's Gresham, where the traffic's going by. There'll be a turnaround right here for fire trucks. This is half of our future community garden and ecology that does the food compost waste for the city of Portland. Has delivered these nice piles of compost for us to use in the community garden. Last weekend we had a group here from East Hill Church, and they work primarily on removing all the weeds. You can see in the background it's been quite the job since December 2012 when we first sheet mulched this whole area. We've been trying to keep the weeds down. We got a lot of it done, but as you can see, we still have a patch there to be removed. So the community garden will go out to the edge of those trees. It'll go across this road. You can see they've already dug up a section of it. And it'll go out across this road, which will not be here, into the sun area that will have at least 6 hours of snow. But this is a section of the road that they've dug up so far. So it's just at the beginning stages of building this wonderful park that will go back into the 10 acres of natural forest.